Let's talk about Netflix. Netflix pop is a chance to get short rather than long. Let's scroll down. Netflix stream lower seems to have stopped for now. The stock popped over 1% on Monday following a bullish note from Bank of America. So we talked about that Netflix was losing ground in the field of streaming due to other companies out there. Watch Disney, folks. Disney is something that you're going to have to keep your eye on, because once Disney gets into really hot and heavy into the streaming, they've got a lot of content. I think they got more original content or more content than anybody, than all of them put together. All right, than all of them put together. So I'm just thinking about that. Think about that, all right? The stock pop, we talked about that. The note comes after a nearly 2-month downtrend for shares of the streaming giant that followed its second quarter earnings release, in which Netflix reported markedly weaker than expected paid subscriber growth. So we already talked about that they are moving down in subscriber growth, but it's still Netflix. But not everybody believes this is true turning point for Netflix. All right, let's go back into the software and let's analyze Netflix. Where is it? Right here. The stock is grossly overvalued and has been since it was released into the software. But what keeps it afloat is that the upside potential on the stock. The upside potential is still above the value of 1. The safety, still above the value of 1. But with the stock losing membership, the RT tells me that it's in a downtrend. RT below the value of 1, the stock is in a downtrend. The further below 1 it is, the further in a downtrend it is as well. The stock is a sell. The only stock in this list that has a sell recommendation. Keep this in mind though. The stock does have solid earnings, and they are growing their earnings at a clip of 28% a year. But they're still losing subscribership, which is bringing it into a downtrend. Let's go take a look at the graph. So as I look at the graph of Netflix, look at that move over the last 3 months. The stock's price has just been falling precipitously. Finally, though, it is squinched to a point where it might have found a level of a floor. Let's go add that. We might have a solid level of a floor. Take off the last close. And let's make this a little darker. We might actually have a level of a floor in Netflix, and let's see if it can hold. Will the stock be able to hold this level of support? And look at the last couple of days moving higher. The 3 and the 8 haven't crossed yet. And every time the market or this stock has tried to move higher, the 3 and the 8 haven't confirmed the move. Look at that. Even here, the 3 and the 8 didn't confirm the move. The stock is starting to move up again. Let's see if finally the 3 and the 8 can confirm the move, moving up higher. Look at the rising earnings. Look at the rising earnings. The stock has good, solid earnings, and they are growing their earnings at a clip of 34% a year. Right now, though, could this be the stopping point of Netflix moving down? As you can see graphically, it may be, and could be setting up for a new buying opportunity. Love the rising earnings. Love the rising earnings. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Now, if you're new to the software or would like refresher information about the software, click on this Getting Started video right here. Thanks to all of your input, here's a YouTube video that we think would be perfect for you. Click right here. If nothing else, folks, just hit the subscribe button right here.